For many of my clients, one of the biggest assets they have to divide outside of their own house is their retirement accounts. And when retirement accounts are required to be divided, they are divided through a vehicle which is known as a quadro, or a qualified domestic relations order. But in settlement, there's more room for negotiation and accommodating the needs and goals of both parties. Let me give you an example. Let's say you've worked for a company for 25 years and you've been married for 15. The marital share will be those years you were married. And then within that marital share, it will be presumptively half to the other spouse. Now, that percentage of 50% can be adjusted based on receiving other assets or accommodating other debts. So for instance, maybe they say, well, you keep most of your retirement account, but I want to keep the house. Or they'll say, well, I only worked for 10 years, 5 of which was marital. I'll keep mine, you keep 75% of the marital share of your retirement account. So it's important for us, if we can, to achieve a settlement where we're accommodating your unique goals and needs of both you and your spouse before we get to the courtroom. Because if we're in court, retirement accounts are divided by qualified domestic relations orders. It is a pure calculus, and it oftentimes doesn't accommodate for the negligence or guilt of the other side with affairs or fault. Usually courts will say, what's the marital share? And then they will divide it in half. Let's meet with you, let's hear the goals and needs of the other side, and then let's work through a divorce and settlement process that not only achieves the goals of the representation, but then efficiently and effectively divides those retirement accounts through a quadro.